I'm about to plant some of my peppers in containers here. What I always do when I plant peppers is add this right here. It is called Epsom salt. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate. So it's magnesium and sulfur. What it does is it helps to supplement magnesium and sulfur in the soil. Magnesium is important for plants because it helps plants to absorb nitrogen from the soil, and it also helps with chlorophyll production, I believe. And pepper plants and tomatoes are particularly susceptible to deficiency in that magnesium mineral. So it's something I always add to my soil. It says here for tomatoes, add 2 to 3 tablespoons per hole. So I have my tablespoon here. I usually just add 2. So for each container, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons at the time of planting. So yeah, guys, that's why I add magnesium or Epsom salt. It's relatively inexpensive and it really helps to grow very healthy peppers and tomatoes. Okay, so I have that in. I'm gonna just walk it into the soil a little, mix it in a little before I plant my peppers. And you can also make a foliar spray with the Epsom salt. The instructions are on the package how to make that foliar spray, and spray the leaves every, let's see, um, there's something about the foliar spray. I'm gonna look it up, but it's here, and apply to the leaves. Okay. All right. Now you would notice that I put the soil not all the way. So I only filled my buckets like halfway, not all the way, because when I put this plant in here, then I can fill it up, cover the rest up with more potting mix soil. Okay. And this is what I do when I need to plant my peppers. Okay. I take my hand, I open my index finger like so, I put it down like so. See that? Okay. Hold the stem between your fingers, flip it upside down, then now slide this out. Look. Okay. Then now we're gonna carefully set this down here. Okay. And then I'm gonna fill around this with potting mix soil. So this is my potting mix soil, which is what we use for containers. This is Miracle Grow, but you can use any brand. Just make sure it is potting mix soil. Around the peppers. It's okay to cover part of the stem if you want, not a problem. If you bury a little bit of the stem, it's fine. And if you're wondering what this is, I'm gonna explain that in a separate video. So you're gonna have to watch to make sure you see how I created this right here and why I created it. I'll put the other video in the description box. You can watch to see what this is all about. But that's my pepper planted in container. I'm gonna do the same for the rest of them. This is a habanero pepper. This one here is Scotch bonnet. It's a yellow Scotch bonnet. Don't forget to put the tags. Always put the tags. Always put the tags. So that one go there, goes there. This one we're gonna go right here. Sometimes I cut this cotyledon. Same thing. take my finger, put between, loosen that out. See? Okay, I'm gonna sit that here, and then insert again. Okay. Let's water the soil in.